Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be solving this Rubik's Cube because I got onto my school regionals team and I wanted to practice. Let's do this. So first, I'm going to scramble the cube. Okay, yep, this looks pretty scrambled. Okay, now I have inspection. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. And almost done and done. So, well, I don't know how long it took me to solve it, but I solved it. I'm gonna set up a timer though so you can see. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe. And also make sure you check out my video on how to solve a Rubik's Cube if you want to learn how to.